One and only inspiration falls. Can I get it? Alright, can I get it? Can I get a skipper chase? I really and bait and bite related needs. Now, if you did want to rent a canoe from them, they will rent you the standard paddle or the deluxe paddle. Yeah, honestly though, it's really either or. They don't even rent to me anymore. I think they got mad after the whole giant snake incident. But we're turning now, and oh, look at that, there he is. Wow. Yeah, on the left you're gonna see a giant snake. You can tell it's a giant snake because of the way that it is. But oh boy, wait a minute. Oh no. Okay, you guys, I didn't know my roommates were gonna be home right now. Sorry about this. Oh good, and it looks like they're going through my stuff again, like we talked about. Sorry about that. Yeah, I know, it just goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. But on the left side here, you're going to see an African bull elephant. Now, get a good look, all right? These are very rare creatures, very elusive. Yeah, that's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity there, okay? You're never going to get to see one of those. Never again. Anyone ever seen an aardvark before? Okay, perfect. That one's an aardvark. Yeah, you can tell because of the way that it is. But we're turning now and we're making our way down the African belt. Now, way in the back over there, you see those big tall guys in the back? Those are called trees. Yeah, true story. Now, in front of the trees, we have some long-necked cheetahs. In the back over there, we got a couple 68 impalas. And then on the left side, you're going to see three of the rarest species of zebra. Two of the rarest species of zebra. Honestly, though, you know, zebra's a great choice for a family. You got a little something for everyone, you know. You got dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat. But over here on the right side, we have a few of our junior skippers in training. Now, it looks like today they're working on their marsupial merit badge, but I don't think they meet the qualifications just yet. Yeah, that's probably where they're getting laughed at by my friend Ina down there. Everyone say hi, Ina. Everyone say bye, Ina. Yeah, we're getting out of here. But around this corner, for you Disney merchandise fans, you guys are going to love this. Right over here, we have an exclusive sneak peek at Disney's newest pair of Crocs. Well, I think they're pretty snappy. I know they don't look like those Lightning McQueen Crocs, but they will chow down on your hand, okay? So, yeah, keep your arms in the boat. But if you look straight ahead now, you're going to see something absolutely beautiful in front of you. And then if you look behind me, you're going to see a waterfall. And if we're really taking that jungle waterfall outside here, we're crashing on a hot day like this, right? Yeah, don't worry, there's only about 25,000 types of bacteria in there. Yeah, you'll be fine if you're up to date on your tetanus shot. So make sure we're on that pocket for me, okay? Yeah, if we get on anything, I stop the boat. We don't want you going out the window, okay? Not so you're a teenager and there's a cool party down the street. But over here, this is actually a cool little night spot a lot of us skippers like to hang out at. Yeah, it's called the Fusil Lodge. Yeah, I know it's a little plain, but it is half off tonight, so pretty good deal, honestly. But coming up ahead, okay, I don't know if these are hippopotamus or just really cool hippopotamus. And we got to be careful either way, though, okay? Last week alone, they sank about 6 boats. Only 5 of ours will be on good hands. Hey, these platypus here. We talked about this before, you can't get in the boat. Remember the incident or not? Doing that again, sorry. You know, it's a dangerous job here, okay? People don't believe me either. For some reason lately, people have been saying this job's so easy, a monkey could do it. Those people are dead wrong. Those are actually chimpanzees, different species, so it doesn't count. Oh my gosh, wait, okay, you guys don't look right now. This is really awkward. That's my crush up there. Yeah, the one on the taller crate. Yeah, that's Annette. She gives me butterflies. That's a shame though. I am going to be honest, you know, butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars, they used to be caterpillars. Okay, we'll go around and try that one a second time. But up ahead, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, you know it, you love it, you've seen it from the front your whole life. But now, here it is, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water! Yeah, that was never gets old. Now, on the right side over here, I do want to point out these big, tall, round things that hold up the roof. I think those are pretty cool. Yeah, I just wish I knew what to call them. I don't know, I guess pillars, maybe. Unfortunately, I do have some bad news. This might be kind of painful, you guys. Yeah, I think we're headed for a root canal. raise your hand if you're not here. Okay, we're coming back to you guys later, don't worry. No, I'm kidding. We're never coming back. But it looks like we have found an Indian elephant mating pool. Good news though, it looks like they have their trunks on tonight, so feel free to take pictures. You know, a lot of people get mad at me for making fun of all these animals. And she's over there making cracks at me all day, so I don't think that's fair. But we do have to be careful here. I think I gave us plenty of time to get through here before he comes. So, you might want to duck if you're on this side. Yeah, I'm not kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Just a little bit of dry humor for you. Lots of dry humor for you. But we're not out of the woods just yet, everybody. Yeah, you can tell because there's trees everywhere. If we were out of the woods, there'd be a lot less trees. But we have begun the most dangerous part of our journey. It's time for the return to civilization. I know, be careful, okay? It's a jungle out there, especially before fireworks. But you know, it wouldn't be a Disney ride if we didn't make you stop at a gift shop before leaving. That's why we got Trader Sam's Lost and Found gift shop here on the left. Yeah, a lot of people want to know where Trader Sam finds all those incredible, unique items. It's amazing when people will leave their strollers out in the open just completely unattended. But while we're pulling up, everyone, we got to get all the safety stuff out of the way.